No! If there's anything that you can do to make your life just a little bit better, for me it would be making your bed. It always makes your room look cleaner, and I always feel nice after I do it. Hey guys, it is currently Sunday, and this past Friday it was just announced that Toronto is going into a 28-day lockdown. Why are you walking so quiet? But basically, Toronto's going into a 28-day lockdown, so this is lockdown 2.0. It was kind of expected, to be honest, and basically it's going to be very similar to the first time we were in lockdowns, except I think schools are open, which is different this time around. But because Dylan and I are just so lucky to be able to work from home, I'm literally not going to leave the apartment unless we absolutely need to. This is pretty much what we did last time too. This guy has asthma over here, so we're not taking any chances. So we're going to be staying at home as much as possible and just try to follow the rules and whatever. We're dropping off Daniel's gift.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, we're gonna be as responsible as possible, but at the same time, I want to be productive. I want to be bringing you guys really great content. I also want to show you guys what the week looks like for me. So obviously we're not going to be like shopping in stores or anything. I'm going to try to Instacart as much as possible, really get my holiday shopping down and everything. I'm not too stressed about it, to be honest. I feel very, very lucky and that we're gonna get through this together. Today is actually a special day. Can you tell us why, Dill?
It's Daniel's birthday.
So it's our friend Daniel's birthday. He has just this little channel on YouTube. So even though we can't celebrate this year, it's just crazy to think that a year ago we were all in Florida together celebrating Daniel's birthday. We are going to drop off his gift at Sarah and Daniel's house. I want to show you guys what we got him because I think it's actually a really good gift for holiday shopping and stuff like that. And plus with all the Black Friday deals, I think you can definitely get it for a good price. It's a little bit hard to pick something for him because like, why do you get people who like literally have everything is what it feels like. So I'm going to show you guys what we got.
They're really good gift givers.
I am going to show you guys what we got. It's kind of a them/him gift. I asked Sarah, what does Daniel want for his birthday? And the only thing she could really kind of think of was that he lost his water bottle. Decided to pick him up one, and we picked him up a good one. This is the Yeti Rambler. You can get these on Amazon, you can get these on Sporting Life or any little sporting goods store, but it has the chug cap, so it's like a bottle cap on the front, so it's easy to drink from. It's dishwasher safe, super durable, the warranty is really great. I've heard really, really good things about these, so we want to make sure that he had a good one. The main event of what we actually got him/them to enjoy is we got them a soda stream. So they really turned us on to sparkling water. If you guys watch Daniel and Sarah, actually, they're always like making drinks and like doing fun things with food. So I thought that this would be a really great addition to their kitchen arsenal. I think this one's really pretty. This is the SodaStream Source Sparkling Water Maker. I'll try my best to link it in the description box below if you're looking for a good gift for someone. This is also a lot more environmentally friendly than getting all like the canned drinks, so I thought this would be great.
I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore.
Okay, and we're done. This looks like so many presents. I like love wrapping things in multiple gifts. What we do to kind of keep the cost down on wrapping is that we usually get a lot of wrapping paper on sale. This is what we're doing. I thought it was fun with the bright green. This wrapping paper is very Daniel, actually.
Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
So we cleaned. We actually got Dylan's winter coat out of storage, and I made myself a tea. I guess for now we'll just enjoy the rest of our Sunday. It's snowing like crazy outside. It's actually really, it's insane. Hello. Trying to steam wool right now. This was basically in the vacuum seal bag for so long, and I have to shoot something today with Call It Spring. So they have these really cute shoes that are a really good designer dupe. I may have shown them in my last outfit video, but basically we have to shoot those today. I will share them later. It's wool, so I'm just kind of nervous.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't want to screw up this jacket because I love it.
My will is strong with a place to live. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold.
Our elevator has been broken for the last 5 days, so we'll be climbing up a lot of flights of stairs every day. Okay, let me know if you guys do this too, because I'm sure a lot of you do, especially now with COVID and everything, is I always change into indoor clothes when I get home. It's something I was taught from a very young age. Yeah, it's something I've always done. So if you see me in the same outfit a lot at home, it is a different day. I just tend to wear things a little bit more when I'm at home because I'm not like, you know, really doing much in it. But I want to show you guys the two boots from the shoot I just did. So they're both from Call It Spring. This isn't sponsored, but they do have really great affordable shoe options, especially when it does come to boots. I remember all throughout university I would get my combat boots from them. So I'm gonna link these styles in the description box below because I think they're both really great, and they're at a very affordable price point. But even though I knew they were at a very affordable price point, I was pretty blown away by the quality of these two shoes. The first one is this Prada dupe. Like, these look so luxe, like you guys can see. These are really nice. And I think they're under 100, which is great. And I love a lug sole for the winter time, especially to get you out of the slush and stuff. They're vegan leather, which is great. And I know I'm going to be wearing these like well into the springtime because they're so cute. And then this style is actually a little bit different for me. I do have a pair of Tims that are similar to this, but I love that this is the vegan fur, vegan leather. They're 100% waterproof, and I think they can take you to like -40, which is like insane. So they're truly made for Canadian winter. I got them in the all black, but they came in the brown as well. Obviously these were both gifted for the collaboration I'm doing, but they're really comfortable. I got these also in a 6.5, and you can't really see here, but they are completely lined inside and they are so incredibly warm. Very comfortable. Also got these in a 6.5. I think I just mentioned that, but they also have traction on the bottom. I think they make a really good alternative and really good alternative for anyone who's looking for a vegan boot or just a more affordable boot in general. If you're looking at those UGG winter boots, which are supposed to be really great, but I think that these are a great option. I'm gonna get to editing those pictures and sending them in today. And then I also put up another collaboration I just did with Hush, and that was on the blanket, not the blanket, sorry, it's on the sheet set and stuff. So that I was very pumped about because you guys know how much I love my sleep, and when I find a really good thing, I'm like all over it. So really excited about that. Surprisingly, I mean, I don't know if this is boring for you guys, but generally the way I make my income is through sponsorships and brand deals on YouTube. I don't normally get a ton of work on my Instagram, especially because I have a smaller audience on Instagram versus YouTube. But this month, these past few months actually, I've been doing far more work on my Instagram than I have been on my YouTube channel, which I don't mind. It's just very different for me because I don't normally have like the workflow being that way. So yeah, but a few more things coming up on Instagram, which I'm really pumped about, including something with Garage. They sent me this big box of goodies, which I'll make really good Christmas gifts or holiday gifts or whatever. So I'll show you guys that at the end of this video as like a little mini haul. So yeah, we're gonna go work on stuff and then I'll catch up with you guys later. Our day at the office.
If I could take you back to my youth.
Hello guys, so it is the next day and I'm gonna finish off the vlog with something that we picked up from Amazon after this for Toledo. We were looking for it everywhere. It may be experimental. We don't know if it's gonna I'm not even gonna ruin it. I did want to show you guys this big box from Garage. I am working with them on a gift guide, and if you guys are a 90s baby like me, or even a 2000s baby, I remember such fond memories of Garage in middle school and stuff like that, and they've always been at a really affordable price point, and they actually carry a lot of stuff that are already part of like my favorites. So it was so fun doing a gift guide with them on Instagram. So I'm gonna link that post if it's up by now, but I do want to show you guys everything that they sent me because they were so generous, and I think that this stuff really does make great gifts. They have this big box here, so I'm gonna go through like a miniature haul. Even though I'm not gonna try things on, they will be on my Instagram, or I'll link them in the description box. But the first thing is this plush set. I'll throw up a photo of me in it. It's very similar to the Skims one. I got in a size small. The robe is unbelievable, guys. Like, this is the best robe I think I've ever got. And that's saying a lot because I love my robes. Okay, guys, and then I got the matching pants. These are a flared pant. These were also in a size small. And if you run very hot, might not suggest these because I already get super hot in these. So, moving on, they also sent me 2 pairs of jeans. They're both very, very flattering, but also quite different. The first pair, I got them both in a size 5, which is a 27. I tend to size up in them because I find their sizing a little bit weird. But guys, how cool are these? They're basically a denim cargo pant. They're really flattering. They're stretchy in the waist. So again, I could have easily sized down probably 2 in these, but I really like those. And then I also got a pair of vintage straight jeans, which I have these already, but I love them so much that I got them in a different wash. Their denim, guys, is so similar to the A Goldie denim for like a fraction of the price. So if you guys are looking for affordable but nice quality denim, highly recommend Garage. My favorite sweatpants from them are these. These are the boyfriend jogger. I like the 80s jogger as well, but these are really amazing. They're really soft, again, super affordable. They're 35 bucks Canadian. Like, it's really, really good, especially for the quality. Like, I love my Revolve and Aritzia stuff, but I would say this is up there with them. Like, the quality is really, really good. And then, let's go into like the fun stuff. So one thing I did not know that they carried is Calvin Klein. Like, what? So like, while you're doing a Garage order, buying your basics and stuff, you can also buy really good quality underwear. Like, I love my Calvin Klein stuff. You guys know the Calvin Klein bralettes. Like, I have so many of them because I love them. I don't really wear real bras. So I got this one. And then the matching full-size underwear. Just because I think this is like cute, like loungy, you know, so adorable. And then, I don't have a pair of these, but I got like the long underwear, like sleepwear leggings. And I think that these are going to be so cute, especially because it is currently lockdown day 2. So I know I'm going to need stuff like this. Yeah, I did not know they carry Calvin Klein. Like, who knew? The other thing that they carry that I did not know is Bagoo. So I've been raving about these bags. Sarah actually turned me on to these. I didn't know about them before. So I have the smiley face one now. And I may give a few as gifts because I just think that they're so great. So I have the smiley face one. I actually already have this one. But this one's really, really cute. They're so good for the environment compared to the obviously the single-use plastic bags. And then another thing they sent me, I didn't know they carry the like official like sports caps, like the 47 ones. So I don't have a black on black LA Dodgers one. I have it in the New York Yankees, and I have the blue LA Dodgers one. So I've been looking for this one everywhere. So it just like really worked out that they carry stuff like this. And then one thing I really was excited to try that they sent me a bunch of, like these little Touchland hand sanitizers. And they're very, very popular amongst TikTok, which is why I was intrigued. They gave me the Touchland hand sanitizers, and I think these are really amazing. And the little carriers, so you can stick them onto your keychain or your purse or wherever you need to have them. So really pumped for all this stuff. Yeah, and just showing you guys some of my favorite gift ideas. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, at the moment, just excited for these bags. Yeah. What am I doing? I can't get it in here. Also, one thing I forgot to show you guys. I should have vlogged it last night, but I didn't know if it was gonna work, which is why I didn't. But let me sit you guys down here so you guys can see. But I have really straight down, like stubborn Asian eyebrows. I may have mentioned it before when I do my makeup and stuff, but I laminated them for the first time at home when I was doing my eyelash perm at home. I just use that typical like eyelash perm kit everyone uses, but I'm gonna throw up a picture here of what my eyebrows look like before and after, and it's insanity. Like, I didn't know my eyebrows can stick up like this. I didn't really get the whole lamination thing till right about now, because now my eyebrows are gonna be so much easier to fill in. So first thing, these are my eyelashes, and like that is like a huge difference for me in terms of like my eyelashes normally stick straight down, but wow, I'm really close, guys. But if you look at my brows, like, see how they're able to like stick straight up like that? So you can see where I filled them in a little bit, but in terms of the growth, how they can literally stick straight up. Like, I mean, obviously I probably would tap them down a little bit. Much better than before. And then this is what my eyelashes look like with the perm and some mascara. And I don't think I'm gonna go back to eyelash extensions even when this is over, except for maybe like, I don't know, like vacation and stuff, because this is pretty effective in combination with my eyelash serum. I really like the way this looks. I'm gonna link that down below for anyone who is looking for something like that, because this was really good and at home and something I kind of taught myself to do when we went to like the first lockdown. So it makes me feel a little bit nicer. It's kind of like how I tint my brows. I have a video on that too, but yeah, just the small things. Okay, so Dylan just came back with our little package, but we got this for Toledo because he's always sup, which is like a Chinese term for sopping wet. At least that's what I use it as. It was a very long body and very short legs, so we decided to get him this because it's so mucky outside. So hopefully this works.
Is it cute?
Look.
He's so long.
We have to get the corgi one. So this is what it looks like.
Your belly?
Oh, the belly coverage is pretty good. Okay. This turned out really, really cute. I'm glad we got it. So now he can go into the snow and not get super wet. And like, this is good. It also, I love that. I mean, this is probably why moms rave about those zipper onesies, because the fact that you can just unzip this entire thing, do this, and then he's out of it. Isn't that great? Doesn't have to go over his head, because I know a lot of dogs don't like that. Thank you for doing this.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on.
That sucks. That was a time lapse.
Okay, so that was obviously all time-lapse because we will never decorate a Christmas tree to silence because of the royalty-free copyright. So anyway, we're gonna watch The Bachelor. We had a nice day kind of half putting up our tree because we don't have all of our ornaments. I forgot some at my house. So that's what it looks like for now, but I think it's looking really, really cute. Like, that's so festive. Then we have our stockings up over there like last year, except the books are temporary, obviously. But yeah, Toledo's in his Christmas pajama. And I guess maybe our Sunday night we're going to order pizza, and I think I'm going to wrap some gifts so we can have some stuff under there. But that's it, guys, for now. That's the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned, because in the next couple weeks we are going to be doing some pretty cool things, so you'll definitely want to make sure you are kept up. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, everybody.